What's going on, folks? I'm going to show you how you would be resetting your oil life on a Chevy Equinox from about the 2018 all the way up to about the 2021, possibly even a 22. First thing that you want to do is pretty much start your vehicle up by, holding your brake down and pressing the start button on your vehicle. And when you do that, like mine is already on there, but basically what you're going to do now is come over to your pad, see your down button. What you want to do is just press down on that button until you see oil life that'll pop up on your screen. Just keep pressing it like that until you see oil life. See, there you go, it says oil life. Once you see oil life right there, all you have to do now, remember, you don't want to do this until after you've just had an oil change. You want to make sure it's set with new oil that's been put into your vehicle. You don't want to do it right now. This one says 65%. So if I was to reset this right now, it would now show as if I have 100% left, which really wouldn't be right, which would mean then that about time it actually got to 0% life left, it would be like I'm a 35% negative now, which means that I should have changed my oil basically 35% ago pretty much, because it's negative. So I wouldn't reset this one now, but if I wanted to reset it, once I get here, it's pretty simple. All you have to do, you see the check mark? Press that check mark and hold it. And once you press that check mark and hold it, it will go back up and say 100% remaining. And that's all you have to do pretty much, and you'll be good. You just basically drive like normally. All right, once again, this is how you would reset your oil life on a Chevy Equinox from about the 2018 all the way to about the 2021 and possibly even 22. All right, please check out the other helpful videos. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks.